5:15 now, and joining you on a morning that is bringing dry weather for some and wet weather for others, especially further south in the bay. Still very dry here in the East Bay Hills looking down into the bay. Not a single drop of water in spots like that. Whereas you head further southward and take a look at this, a wide swath of at times heavy rainfall down along the Big Sur coastline, stretching out into the Central Valley and then especially into the Central Sierra. Here in the Bay Area, we're right on the northern cusp of our precip potential today, and this is actually super good news. Where we're seeing that rainfall is exactly the areas that we need to be seeing it. Further south, that's where we've developed drought conditions, while further north, we've been a lot closer to normal, so we'll share the love and give Southern California some rain. You can see that San Jose, as well as other surrounding areas of the Santa Clara Valley, are looking at some light showers. Definitely heavier as you head down 101 down towards Gilroy, Watsonville, down to Santa Cruz. Spots like that really looking at some pretty solid rain at the moment. Dumbarton Bridge seeing some isolated showers. Right now the San Mateo Bridge kind of on the northern end of it. Fremont on up towards Milpitas, areas like this definitely seeing some light showers. And this is where most of it's going to stay today. As you can see, the North Bay hardly seeing a thing. So the Golden Gate Bridge southward is kind of our demarcation line. North of there dry, south of there your precipitation potential begins to increase. And that is the forecast. You can see how it stays that way. A couple peaks of sunshine this afternoon, much like yesterday. We will see pockets of heavier rainfall towards the very close of the day today. And as we roll into the evening and tomorrow, those pockets of rain do continue. And we will see a few of those further north. But you can see the impact here. Santa Rosa, hardly a drop of water. By the time you get down to San Jose, we'll be seeing over half an inch of rain, while Monterey well over an inch, Big Sur well over an inch as well. Central Valley doing pretty good, but definitely on the south end of the Bay Area down into the Central Coast. Next week, that does change. A much more significant system will have a greater impact on all of us across the Bay Area. The Sierra also sees quite the disparity between snowfall. These pink areas, this is the Central and Southern Sierra, talking Yosemite and Sequoia National Parks, seeing winter storm warnings, whereas you head further north of Yosemite, and it's winter weather advisories. Just a little less severity there as far as what we're seeing with this storm, and a little bit less snowfall. So our very heavy snowfall is going to be a little further southward, while manageable amounts further north. Definitely bring the chains if you're heading up to Tahoe, as we will see snow further north, just not near as much as southern regions. Our 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook is definitely showing wetter than normal weather for southern and central California, as well as the northern part of the state too, but much more so for those southern reaches of the state. Temperatures today in the 50s for your daytime highs, a little cooler than yesterday was. We do have those showers mostly for the South Bay today. Partly cloudy, clearing and drying tomorrow. Friday and Saturday looking gorgeous with sunshine and mid to upper 60s. Next week brings rainfall much more widespread all across the state.